Good day, Miss Balucanag. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Good day, ma'am. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for our needs, and of course, most importantly is for my daughter's future and for her good education.
Can you tell something about yourself?
My name is Lorraine Balucanag. I am 30 years old and I live in San Isidro, Lopao, Nueva Ecija. I'm a single parent. My daughter is about 9 years old now. I studied college in nursing in Baguio City, ma'am.
Do you know anybody in Hong Kong, say a relative or a friend?
Yes, ma'am, a relative and a friend.
Have you been abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you like to take care of babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
1 and 2, ma'am.
What are your duties as a babysitter?
My duties as a babysitter is to feed them, to change their diapers, and bathing, and singing lullabies if necessary, and playing with them.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
My duties as a domestic helper is cleaning, do wash dishes, and do washing clothes, and cooking, and marketing, ma'am.
Can you cook some Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Chinese fried rice, and soup, and Chinese fried chicken, and steamed fish, and chicken, and pork.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like washing machine, dryer, electric stove, and microwave oven.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
No, ma'am, but I'm very much willing to learn.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Dogs and cats.
Supposing you are homesick, what are you going to do?
I just pray, and of course I will call my family, communicate with them, especially to my daughter, and I will focus on doing just the household chore.
If your employer is strict and demanding, what are you going to do?
I will just follow the rules and regulation, ma'am.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of bedridden or old person?
Yes, ma'am.
For how old?
50 and above, ma'am.
Okay, what promise do you have for your future employer, Miss Balucanag?
Ma'am, sir, please hire me because I am very responsible, hardworking, honest, loyal, and sincere person. And I definitely do my job very well, and I will promise also to fulfill your satisfaction when it comes to work in household chore. And I will keep clean your house, and I will treat your family as my family, and I will promise to finish my contract with you, ma'am and sir. Thank you and God bless. Hope to see you soon.
Okay, Miss Balucanag. Thank you and good luck.